All right, these cases are looking good. Got some vintagey smells trying to get rid of. Come on in. Let's see what we're working on today. This is an old recording. We're working on the rotor on this, get the slides pulled. We've got to make a proper screw to go in here. A friend of mine that's donating this instrument, so somebody is very lucky that's going to get this instrument. Check this out. This is a vintage old recording trumpet. And this has got to be one of the cleanest examples of this horn I have ever seen. I mean, it's just gorgeous. This is actually going to be the focus of our video, but this is an early Elkhart box Strad. It's also in great shape, but we need to take care of this bell. Got some damage on it. So this is going to be our project for today. Also for sit down work, we've got this saxophone that we're doing, putting in good playing condition. And here's today's tip. If you have dry, cracked hands, this O'Keeffe's business, this is great. It's not slippery and does a great job moisturizing. A lot of times you see how dry my hands are. Okay, let's get into that trumpet. Pretty good right here. Got a high spot. Yep. Nice. Check it on the granite. Yep. Great. Let's get those stem dents. Got the bell flare repaired. Got all the dents out of this guy. Straightened, chem flushed. Bell looks beautiful. Nice and round again. No scratches to the original finish. Now just to polish the slides, get it put back together. Now to polish up these old mouthpieces. Some nice mouthpieces, and turns out there was a gold one in all that tarnished mess. All right, well, we got our saxophone finished and playing great. Wiped down and put back in its case. We've got a new screw made for the olds, fixed the rotor. Everything is great here. We got our slides pulled. Everything is working like it should. And we got these two beauties put back together. Here's our old recording. Just turned out fabulous. I just love these old kick slides, the way they work like that. And here's our bot. It had the bell damage. Got all that taken care of. A few scars. Not bad for 50 plus years old. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.